Hey there, folks. This is Margaret Klein coming to you live from 2740 Donna in Titusville. And this one is a rental. So as we go in here, we do have the living room area. And this is a 2-bedroom, 1 bath. And it is going to include your electric, your water, and your internet. So you've got a cute little kitchen there. It's got your microwave, your stove, your dishwasher, refrigerator, of course. And as we go down the hallway here, we are going to get to this bathroom. So of course you have your sink. And we've got a step-in shower here. Super cute tile work. And down to the bedrooms. So we've got bedroom number 1, closet on that side, and we will head right on over to bedroom number 2. I would assume this would be your primary bedroom. This is a nice sized bedroom here, folks. Closet, bedroom. Again, this was a 2-bedroom, 1 bath, including your electric, your water, your internet, and it is $19.50 a month with everything included. Do a quick pass through here and into this cute little patio area. Now inside the patio is where our laundry is, and this is a shared laundry because there is an efficiency as well here. And with the efficiency, you will be sharing the laundry. But nice size laundry room, huge yard. Get a little view of this yard here, plenty of space here. So again, we're at 2740 in Donna in Titusville, and this rental is listed at $19.50 a month, including your electric, your water, and your internet. So if you are interested in your own private showing here, my number is 321-480-7662, and this is Margaret Klein signing off here in Titusville. Thanks so much. You have a great day. Bye-bye.